Start earning passive income with Honeygain by sharing your unused internet connection. Here are a few easy steps to get started. Visit our homepage honeygain.com and click on the dashboard button. If you're new to Honeygain, click the sign up option in the top right. Apply a coupon code YT to get a $5 starting gift on your passive income journey. Then use your preferred method to create an account. You can choose to sign up via Google, Facebook, or your email address. After successfully creating your Honeygain account, you can access your dashboard. Besides useful information on your dashboard, you can also confirm your email by clicking the button. Don't forget to download our app on your device to start sharing your internet and making money. You can find the download option on our homepage. With Honeygain, passive income is effortless.